Welcome to our video on Data Analysis 101, Understanding Big Data and Machine Learning. In this video, we will be diving into the world of big data and machine learning and exploring how these technologies are changing the way we analyze and make decisions. First, let's start with big data. In today's digital age, we are generating more data than ever before. This data comes from a variety of sources such as social media, online transactions, and sensor data. The sheer volume of this data can be overwhelming, and it can be difficult to make sense of it all. This is where big data comes in. Big data is a term used to describe the large and complex datasets that are generated by our digital world. It's the process of collecting, storing, and analyzing large amounts of data to uncover insights and make better decisions. Now, let's talk about machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. It involves training a computer model on a large dataset and then using that model to make predictions on new data. Machine learning is often used in conjunction with big data to make sense of large and complex datasets. One of the most popular machine learning techniques is called supervised learning. This is when a computer is trained on a labeled dataset, meaning that the correct output is provided for each input. Once the computer has been trained, it can then be used to make predictions on new, unlabeled data. This is often used in applications such as image recognition and natural language processing. Another popular machine learning technique is unsupervised learning. This is when a computer is trained on an unlabeled dataset, meaning that the correct output is not provided for each input. The computer must then find patterns and structure in the data on its own. This is often used in applications such as anomaly detection and clustering. Both big data and machine learning are playing an increasingly important role in today's world. They are being used in a wide variety of industries, from finance to healthcare, to make sense of large and complex datasets and make better decisions. But how can you get started with big data and machine learning? The first step is to familiarize yourself with the basic concepts and techniques. There are many resources available online, such as tutorials, courses, and books, that can help you get started. You could also consider joining an online community or attending meetups to connect with other people who are interested in big data and machine learning. The second step is to start working with big data and machine learning tools. There are many open source tools available, such as R and Python, that can be used for data analysis and machine learning. These tools are free and open source, and there are many resources available to help you learn how to use them. In conclusion, big data and machine learning are changing the way we analyze and make decisions. Understanding the basics of these technologies can be a valuable asset in today's digital age. So, start familiarizing yourself with the concepts and tools, and who knows, you might be the next data scientist making important decisions for a company. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.